guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlene Autumn if you're new. So today I look so orange. Where's the mall though? Today I'm doing a lot today actually. Where the hell is the mall? I hate when like I get lost in stores and stuff. Have a lot going on, so I thought I would vlog it for you guys. Just came from school. I'm at the mall now. I'm here to get some heels because I'm going to this dance class tonight. You know, look at me getting outside my comfort zone. Like, quick story. I used to dance in like middle school and like elementary school, but I stopped after that. I don't know why. I wish I continued, but I didn't. I'm always watching like Aaliyah Janelle like dance videos, so I'm just like, okay, let me go ahead and try to do that too. So I'm doing that right now, and that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna go find some shoes and I'll let you guys know what I find. So I found this Me and I shoes. It looks like they have some cheap. Hi, fine, how are you? It looks like they have some like cheap heels or whatever, so I'm gonna see. Just some like comfortable heels.
Okay. Well, I was looking at the chunky heels.
Yeah, the chunky ones? Okay. Something like this. And it's only like 30 bucks, so that's not bad. I might try these on actually. Let me hold on to them.
Do you have any color in mind?
Just black. But these are cute too, I like them.
We have these ones. What size are you?
I'm 8.5.
Okay, well, these are an 8.
And I like something like secure too, because they're like for dancing.
Yeah.
This is not bad.
Those are cute.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I am.
Do you YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
What do you do on it?
Just like lifestyle, beauty. I'm trying to get back into it because my best friend's always just like, you could have been like so far along by now if you just kept on staying consistent. So this is me being consistent.
Yeah, I'm starting one soon.
Yeah. They're so cute. Yeah, these are not gonna. I'm just thinking about me breaking my ankle trying to dance in these.
What are you dancing for?
It's like a heel dancing class.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so that store was a bust, but she told me to go to this store over here called Topline. So let's see. They have a lot of shoes in there too. So we're gonna go see what they have going on. Hopefully I find a cheap and affordable shoe in there. So. So I like these, you guys. What do you think about them? And I feel like I could wear them out other places too, you know? Not just for dancing. Alright, you guys, I like these better. Only because I feel like they're more secured on my foot. Like I can really do more with these. The leather ones would have creased like a whole bunch. So these are like kind of like suede. So, or like, yeah, suede, not velvet. Yeah, it's suede. So, much easier to dance with, you know, bend down in. So I'm gonna get these. That was a success. I'm so happy because honestly, like coming to the mall to find, I feel like whenever I come here to find specific things, I don't find them. But like whenever I'm out just like chilling doing nothing with no money, I'll find like everything that I want. So it's just like, it's a lot. But anyways, I'm about to head to Zaxby's because I'm starving. I want some food. It's raining in Georgia. It's raining. Alright, so let me find where a close Zaxby's is. I don't know why I'm craving Zaxby's so much. I just am. Ooh, not with those ratings. Not with those ratings, honey. You guys always look for good ratings, I'm telling you. Then that's the closest one. Ooh. No, I can't go there, y'all. Like, they said it's the worst Zaxby's. Can't do it. Nope, can't do it. Okay. Let's try this one. The other one had 1.5 reviews, 1.5 stars, and this one has 2. Wish me luck. And it's like, and these are the closest ones, so I'm not about to go all around town, you know, looking for a perfectly reviewed Zaxby's. But honestly, like, I'll go, let me see, like, my requirements for, like, I don't know, because it really depends. Like, sometimes I'll, like, do 4 stars and up, or at least, like, I think a place has to have at least 3.5 stars for me to consider it. You know what I mean? 3.5 at least to consider. 4, okay, we're going, you know, but this one is 2, so I'm really SOL. I'm really just gonna have to deal with it. But anyways, let's go. I'll tell you guys how the food is. Hopefully it's good. So this is my food, you guys. I almost forgot to show you guys because I almost tore this food up. So I actually ended up stopping at Barnes and Nobles. I'm here right now. I'm gonna go inside and see what books I can find because I just want to get back into reading again, and I miss reading. And what better place than Barnes and Nobles? This is like my safe space, my peaceful place, my, you know, this is just home for me. And so I'm gonna go inside and see what books I can find. I've been really into like self-help books and, you know, like getting on my grind, like business mentality books. So yeah, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna go check it out. If you guys can see. Wait, can you guys see? Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. So yeah, let's go inside and let's see what we can find. All right, you guys, we got a winner chicken dinner. I'm so done. So the book I got was, come on, You're a Badass Every Day. Day. Not some days, day. So I'm gonna read this book every morning, every day. I was gonna do like a page a day because it's kind of set up where it's just like it tells you something different that, you know, you should be doing in order to kind of like stay on track and stay motivated and things like that. So, but honestly, I think I just might binge read it and then just read it every day afterwards, you know, like read the whole thing, then go back and just like continue to read it, because, you know, it's all about like keeping that in your mind, repetition, and just keeping that same mindset. So I'm gonna do that. Why is she looking at me like that though? Anyways, I'm gonna do that. And yeah, that's the plan. next Monday.
Bye.
Bye. All right, you guys. So just came from dance class. You guys saw what's going on. I felt like I didn't want to be weird, like vlogging too much, you know. But I got a lot of footage for you guys to see. That was so much fun. Like so much fun. Like, oh my gosh. I had so much fun, you guys, and I'm really tired. That was a really good workout. I'm definitely coming here every Monday to dance, but let me put my address in. Time to go back home. I'll close this vlog out when I get back home, but that was really, really fun. Excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh my God, I got scared. I thought someone was behind me. Let me go ahead and end the vlog right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been a minute for me vlogging, but I'm gonna start doing some more interesting things and fun things for me to vlog. This is pretty much my life. It's been really busy lately, but I'm just making more time for the things that are important to me, and my autumn beauties are definitely one of those things. And so thanks for watching. I'm so tired, you guys, but anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have the video of me dancing because they had a professional videographer here, so I'm gonna get that video and post it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's the same thing as my YouTube, Charlene Autumn, so at Charlene Autumn on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies. Love you guys so much.